I am about to walk you through a 5th grade lesson on landforms around the globe. The objectives for this lesson are: the students will identify landforms using Google Earth, and the students will explain characteristics of a landform by making a storyboard poster. Uncharged Chromebooks, student trouble maneuvering on the PBS Media website, and poor internet connection are all potential technology challenges when using this lesson. This lesson was in a 5E lesson plan format. That is, engage, explore, explain, elaborate, and evaluate. I selected a few students to tell the lesson from their perspective. This lesson was filled with fun learning activities. I had so much fun. First, our teacher engaged us by playing this slideshow of different images of landforms. There was like deserts and canyons and mountains. They were so cool. And at the end of the slideshow, it had a big question that said, "What will we learn about?" I don't know. I was asking myself that same question. I was so intrigued. So for the Explore, what we had to do is, we explored. We had a whole list of landforms and we had a chart we had to fill out. We had to look for how they were formed and explain what they looked like. We used textbooks around the room and different types of books. It was difficult, but enjoyable.
Next was explain. So, as a class, we did a roundtable discussion and we all had our own chance to explain about a landform. We went around the room and talked about it as a class. Then, the teacher, she went over any misconceptions or things we didn't understand. It was very helpful and we were able to learn on our own.
The elaborate was my favorite part. We got to use Google Earth. So we had a checklist and we looked at a whole bunch of landforms around the world. And then we got to choose one and make a storyboard on the PBS Learning website. It was so much fun. I got to be creative. I found that the students really loved Google Earth. Here is an example from one group.
I know it's not it.
Oh cool, it's Africa. Look. Yeah, I see it. Oh my goodness, I think those are mountains. Are they? I don't know. Let's keep looking. Okay. Yeah, I think this is. Yes, we are right. These are mountains. So we found a landform. That is a mountain.
The evaluate is normally the worst part of the lesson. That's normally when you get tested. Well, we were getting tested, but we didn't even know it. She checked our charts that we turned in, she checked our storyboard, and then we took a test at the end. But the test was easy. I felt like I knew it very, very well.
Have I convinced you to use this lesson yet? If not, you should know that students learned more than just the standard regarding landforms. Students embraced personal learning choice and took ownership. Students practiced behaviors of growth mindset. They were part of a learning community, and most importantly, it incorporated many uses of technology to enhance their understanding and provide continual engagement. Thank you to the Grand Valley Integrated Science Program for teaching me how to use 5E models and make them fun and engaging. Also, thank you to Kevin for helping me and making sure that this was perfectly done.